welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty, as well as FabFitFun unboxings. And I just got, well, I requested, but I just got on the Vegan Cuts PR list. So I don't know if I'm going to be getting the makeup box or the snack box or both, but stay tuned for that. And I did post spoilers and also me selecting the products, all the things. So let's get into the summer box. It feels like summer outside. It's hot. The weather is so up and down here. And I got a haircut too. I don't have my hair up, but anyway. So cute. It says sail away, but it says sail like S-A-L-E. And then it has QR code, feeling lucky, scan here to enter in one big. Also, if you want to sign up for FabFitFun, I do have a link down below. Some money back, and then you also get some money off. So I am an annual member, so I get a select first. Day that I'm filming is May 17th. I forgot when I selected this, but I don't know, it felt like forever. We'll start out with add-ons. This is the Science of Healthy Skin Lift and Resculpt with Retinol from Murad. I believe it's vegan, but I got this for my mother-in-law, but she's been having some issues with her skin, so I'm gonna give this to my mom. But it was a good, I thought it was a good deal. It was like $29 or something, and it was usually, I don't know, something else. But it comes with their Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment and the Retinol Resculpt Eye Treatment. This came in as a little freebie. We have had these before. I say we, as in my kids and I. Pure organic twisted fruit bites made with real fruit purees and juices. Blueberry and raspberry, even though it has a little apple there. For our new puppy, the Gruffies Dog Treats with Benefits, made with 6 superfoods, protein, fiber, omega. Pretty small bag. Like here, I just gave her one. It has barley, flax seeds, oats, hemp seed, molasses, and peanut butter. Technically vegan. So anyway, my dog's not vegan, but I am obviously. Fresh coupon, and we haven't had this before. It's a buy one get one free milk product. Oat milk, oat and almond milk, sweetened and unsweetened, vanilla. I have tried them before. I can't remember, but still nice to get a little coupon. Some recipes, and then another add-on, but I have not decided if I'm going to give this to my mom or I'm going to keep it. This is from Dennis & Myricks. I have not purchased anything from Dennis & Myricks. I've tried, I think, a mascara that I thought was okay. I tried a liquid eyeliner that I liked, but then I didn't end up liking it. Balmy blush, but it was too deep for me. I believe that's it. So this is the Color Fix Metallic in the shade Ballerina. I've heard really good things about these, and I think it's really pretty. Let me swatch it. I like the packaging. And then, whoop! Comes out kind of banged. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. A little, it seriously goes a long way. I like that there's some sparkle to it. Really pretty. My little poof. I'm excited to use that. I might keep that. We'll see if it's actually waterproof. I don't know. So I might give it to my mom. I might keep it. I think it was like $9. So instead of like, I think it's 20 something. Now let's get into my selections. I don't remember what number these are. I got the watermelon, and I was okay about this box. This is a big box. Woo! The watermelon sugar, ingrown hair, exfoliating scrub. And this is from Bush Bomb. If you know, you know. Gynecologist approved, dermatologist approved. Oh my god. This is a big papa, big mama. Bunny certified. Oh, it's kind of like dusty. Weird. Made in Canada. Where's the ounces? You get 8 fluid ounces. And even inside the box is really cute. Little fruits stuff. And then it's a really cute bracelet from Sahira. Super cute. Oh, I like that it has a clasp. Okay. And I like that it's adjustable. And I like that it's a rainbow, and that thing came off really, really cute. And then Stanley H2O. Hopefully this doesn't get gross. I don't know what it is about my water bottles, but they keep getting moldy really, really fast, and I don't know why. Like, I don't understand it. Flow State lid. So only thing I don't like about this is that, is this gonna spill when with the straw? Because I like the straws that go down personally, but never had a Stanley. So there's a big mama papa, 40 ounces, black chrome. You could get the pink one, I like the chrome. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't get gross because a lot of people talk about Stanley's and ethically sourced. So it says, do not microwave, dishwasher safe. Even if I put it in the dishwasher, I don't feel like it cleans it. I don't know. Like they get up those little spots and stuff. But also I've been doing flavor water, which I'm gonna try not to do, but my dad has anything to do with it. And then again, I didn't really like the selections personally, but this is from Kapari. This is the Kana Poly Coast with sweet coconut milk and vanilla hair and body mist. And it's the Paradise Found scent, I think. Pretty color. It matches my dress. And then smells like, I don't know if it's my other fragrance or what, but it smells like sunscreen. Almost like the vacation one, but I could be wrong. I'm not smelling peach. Okay, let me put it on something else because I'm wearing a lot of fragrance right now. So yeah, that's better. I'm wearing something that smells like the vacation scent. It's Rosie Jane's. I forgot. Let's see. The very light, which I'm not saying is bad. It does have slightly vacation vibes. The scent. Let's see. Top notes are peach nectar, lemon peel. Mid is coconut shavings, creamy milk, warm spice. I'm not smelling any. Very light. Dry is vanilla bean, praline, and cloud musk. Yeah, I can smell that. Surf amongst Sutton's Kiss waters. Notes of sweet coconut and vanilla. It's very light. I mean, which is fine. It's body mist, but let me know if you've tried anything else from Kapari fragrance wise. And then I'm wearing actually ones that I got in FabFitFun before, but I got the nude extra lift and the nude no show extra lift New York in the shade buff. I don't know. No show extra lift nipple covers made with skin finish, matte silicone. Wear again and again, waterproof. I don't know. They're nice to have. Like I said, I'm wearing a halter, and this is kind of annoying. Well, this one has a like a little bulking chamois, but it is nice to have. Do they come with covers? I think so. Okay, I don't know if my last ones did, but these have a little bit of a lift to them. My other ones are just like regular nipple covers. I'm actually liking them because I didn't know how I feel about them, but it's nice to not wear a bra and not have your nips showing. That you know, whatever. But I've also breastfed 2 kids, so you know the girls aren't really where they used to be. You know, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. This is for my mother-in-law. This is the, well, I don't know, I guess my mom. The Retinol Youth Renewal Serum for Murad or Murad, I don't know, Murad. Minimize the look of wrinkles, lines. I wish I could use retinol, but I'm super prone to eczema around my eyes. So I like to get rid of this little bad boy. And, you know, I would like to not have little fine lines, but what is life? So anyway, I got the Retinol Youth Serum. I don't know why it kind of looks dented. I just literally opened my box. Last but not least, the Ilia Eye Stylish Shadow Stick. I seriously forgot about what I picked. Hopefully this is better than, this is my Hourglass one, which I'm glad I didn't pay for this besides like the box, because, and I had read about this in reviews. Oh, it just literally fell back in, but part of it is in here. This thing is expensive too, and I personally do not think it is worth it. It gets smushy, it's messy. I don't think it is crease proof. So I have not used that much up, and that much apparently it has been out. I think I've used it like a few times, but it keeps falling into the lid. It's expensive. I got this shade. This is the Ilia Eye Stylish Shadow Stick in the shade Adorn. I'm liking cream shadows if they actually, you know, work and actually set. Ooh, I like that. If it sets, that'd be nice. I do, and it had a kind of felt cooling. If it does not end up in the cap and it sets, I recommend setting with a powder, translucent powder or whatever, just to really set it if you have oily lids. But they're just easy to apply and, you know, walk out the door or whatever. If you want to have one eyeshadow look, I don't really do that, but you can. If they're a pricier brand, I have the ColourPop Jelly Much eyeshadow sticks in my TikTok cart, and I'm trying not to buy it. Let me know, should I buy it? Should I not? Because you can get, for one, it's $10, which sounds like a lot, but so many cream eyeshadows suck, personally, in my opinion. But yeah, let me know, should I buy them? Because you can get 3 of them for 20 bucks. And I don't really like all this. I don't really like the sets that they come with personally. But anyway, so that is what I got in my FabFitFun box. Let me know, would you like this box? Would you not have liked this box? Do you subscribe to FabFitFun? Again, I have a link down below if you want to support me and my channel. And I am going to be filming some other videos. It has been super crazy. Personal life with the puppy, which is personal. Just a lot. So I love creating content though, and I also post my daily makeup look. So if you want to see that, I post them on Instagram, TikTok, and on here, obviously. So click, if you don't want to miss any of that, click subscribe, like, and hype, and I hope to see you in my next video.